In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Meet. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll be ready to organize your own meetings with ease. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. You can find it at calendar.google.com or simply search for Google Calendar in your preferred search engine. This is where you can set up your meeting and invite others to join. Once you're there, select the date and time for your Google Meet session. You can do this by simply clicking on the date in the calendar view, which will bring up a new event window. In this window, you'll want to give your meeting a title. This title should be descriptive enough so that all your participants know what the meeting is about. Next, you'll notice a button that says More Options. Click on that. This will expand your options for setting up the meeting, including adding video conferencing. Now, you'll see an option to add Google Meet video conferencing. Clicking this will integrate a Google Meet link into your calendar event automatically, providing a seamless way for participants to join your meeting. Next, let's set the time zone for your meeting. Click on Time Zone to highlight your current settings, and then select the time zone you wish to use. This is particularly useful if you're scheduling a meeting with participants in different parts of the world. Once you've done that, don't forget to click OK to confirm your time zone settings. You'll also want to set up a notification to remind you and your attendees of the upcoming meeting. You might set this notification to trigger 10 or 15 minutes before the meeting starts. Type in the number of minutes that you prefer, so that Google Calendar can send timely reminders. The next step is to add your attendees. In the Guests section, type in the email addresses of the people you wish to invite. Google Calendar will automatically send them an invitation with all the meeting details once you've finished setting up the event. Now let's add a message that will be included in the invitation. This could include an agenda or any pre-meeting instructions you want the attendees to have. Once everything looks good, click on Save. When you do so, a prompt will appear asking if you'd like to send invitation emails to your guests. Click Send, and Google will dispatch the invitations. Congratulations, your Google Meet is now scheduled. When it's time for the meeting, go back to Google Calendar and click on the event you've created. You'll see an option to join with Google Meet. Click it to enter the meeting room. Finally, there's a button labeled Join Now, and clicking it will get you right into the meeting, ready to start discussing your agenda. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Google Meet session. With these basics under your belt, you'll find hosting online meetings easier and more efficient than ever. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.